Hello and welcome to this simple tutorial on how we can make a stylized egg. So the first thing I want us to do is preference or edit preference and install bool tool. The next part, and one more thing, you can see what I'm pushing on the left corner. Okay, the next thing I want us to do is add a cube, scale it down, G set to move it up, and subdivide it by using a modifier, and subdivide it for 4 times. Okay. The next part I want to do is duplicate it. So Shift D, X, remove the subdivision, scale it up. And one more thing. We want this ball is going to be the egg white. So it needs an egg form. So SC to scale the Z-axis, and there. Then choose the box, GX to move the X-axis, and about there, half of the egg should be removed. Then choose the box, then the egg, go to edit, bool tool, and difference. The next part is to add the yolk. Add the yolk. UV sphere, scale it down, G set to move it to Z axis. A bit more down. Now, what we need to do, we can't shade this smooth. It will destroy the mesh. So what we need to do is just subdivide it 4 times. The next part I want to do is to add the mouth. So go to cube, scale down, then Shift H to hide everything else, subdivide it, three times, go to edit mode, Control R, move it to axis, Control R, move the Z-axis, Control R, and G, X. Make a smiley face, scale it to X-axis. We may want to move it a bit more. This is going to be the smile on the character. It should work fine. Shade smooth. Alt H. Now rotate Z 180. Rotate Y 90. G set. X, and scale it, Shift X, scale it X, smaller, GX. There we go. And now I want us to choose the smile, then the yolk, and this one difference. And we have a smile. Next part is to add a UV sphere, scale it down, GZ, GX, scale it down, GY, scale it down, GX, duplicate Y, scale, shade smooth, shade smooth. Now I want us to give it some colors. So first the yellow part. I'll make it a bit orange yellow. Set the roughness to 0.2. And one more thing. Add a new material. Change it to mouth. Give it a pink reddish color. The next part I want to do is choose the smiley box and give it the same material, and it will give the inside of the smile a reddish color. Then the eyes, black, and roughness to 0.1. Same one here. And there we go. We could also just add a tongue. GZ, GX, scale it down, GX, scale it Y, GZ, and give this a red color. 0.. Ah, of course. We could actually do the mouth inside a bit more darker. This one a bit lighter. There we go. And that's it. Give it 500. Ta-ta! Cute stylized half egg thingy. Toodaloo!